In this video, we're going to show you how we transform this bathroom from builder grade and turn it into something custom made. Coming up. This is actually the last video we've done in a series of videos where we showed you the steps we took to remodel this bathroom. We have another video where we replaced the faucet in the bathroom, as well as one where we replaced all the shower hardware. So if you're interested in either of those, we're going to have links to those videos in the description. We'll also have links in the description below where you can go and check out the paint sprayer that we use to paint these cabinets and the paint that we use and all those other great details. The first step we took to refinish our cabinets is we removed the drawers, removed the doors from the cabinets, and then we uninstalled the hardware. After that, to make sure the paint adhered to the cabinets, we used a liquid sander deglosser that made the surface of the cabinets a little bit rougher, which gave the paint something better to adhere to. After that, we just had to fill up a mason jar with the paint and attach that jar to our critter sprayer. The critter sprayer is a great tool to have, especially if you're doing any kind of furniture refinishing, because it lets you get a nice smooth finish without worrying about having brush marks or roller marks and missed areas from traditional painting methods. Critter sprayer is awesome, it's really affordable, and you don't have to invest a lot of money like you would with a professional sprayer. It works great and it gets the job done. The trick here is to take your time, make sure you cover all the crevices first, and then paint the areas that are flat. This allows you to make sure that you don't miss anything when you're going over the panel, especially if it's a door or drawer that has a raised panel front. You'll get in all the crevices first and then you'll be able to spray the flat areas. This technique allowed us to get a finish that covered really well without having to go over it multiple times. To prevent any overspray, we decided to use just a scrap piece of cardboard to lay on the drawer itself on the areas that we didn't want any excess paint, any overspray from going onto those surfaces. In our case, we wanted to make sure the drawers were still white. We didn't want to paint everything. So the cardboard allowed us to be able to paint the front of the drawer without having that overspray get on the nice white surface. We used the same cardboard technique for the interior cabinet, although in this case we had to use a lot more cardboard because there were a lot more surfaces that could get the overspray of the paint on it, such as the floor and inside the cabinet. Whenever you're spray painting in a house, it's really important to have as much ventilation as possible. In this case, since the cabinet is inside a bathroom, what we did was we just closed the door and turned on the bathroom ventilation fan. In addition to that, we also wore respirators designed to block paint fumes from being inhaled. Sometimes you get in a hurry and you do something that you know you shouldn't, and it causes other problems. That's what we did here. So instead of spraying it a second time, I decided to do some touch-ups with the brush, and it just made things worse. So I went back and sanded the cabinet, and now I'm gonna respray it and get this finish to look the way it's supposed to. Don't want to tighten the screws down too hard. So either use a regular screwdriver, a manual screwdriver, or be very, very careful with the drill. Last step is to put the door knobs and handles back in place. If you're interested in the paint sprayer that we use, we'll have a link in the description below where you can go and check that out. And if you like this video, please like it and give us a comment. Let us know if you would do what we did, if you're interested in doing that, or if you choose to do something different. We'd love to know. If you haven't subscribed to Top Homeowner already, we encourage you to do that, because at Top Homeowner, our goal is to help you become the top homeowner in your neighborhood. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. What do you guys think? Welcome to Top Homeowner. Already messed up. Welcome to Top Homeowner, and in this video we're going to show you how we turned this bathroom from old and drab into new and fab.